14th question. A 1.2 meter tall girl sports a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. The girl is 1.2 meters tall and the height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2 meters, and the balloon is moving horizontally with the wind. Then the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of the elevation reduces to 30 degrees. Then find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. We have to find the distance travelled by the balloon, and see figure 9.13. So this is the figure 9.13. The girl is 1.2 meters tall. It means this part is 1.2 meters. So from this line, the line of sight, I'll make the line of sight red so that you can see it. This is the line of sight. From this line, the height of the balloon is 88.2 minus 1.2, which is 87 meters. It means this is also 87 meters. Height is same because it is moving horizontally. Angle of elevation to point A is 60 degrees. When it moved to point E, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. We have to find the distance travelled by the balloon during this interval. That is, we have to find AE, which is equal to CD. So basically we have to find CD. Now let's start. First we will apply use this triangle ABC, and find distance BC. Then we will use this triangle BED, and find distance BD. Then we will subtract BC from BD. We will get the length, or we will get the distance CD. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to AC by BC. AC is 87, so 87 by BC. Tan 60 is square root 3 is equal to 87 by BC. That implies BC is equal to 87 by square root 3. Let's keep it as it is for some time. Let's not rationalize it here. We'll rationalize it if square root 3 will be there in final answer in the denominator. Now in triangle BED, again tan 30 degrees is equal to ED, which is again 87 divided by BD. So BD, now tan 30 is 1 by square root 3 equals 87 by BD. So we get BD is equal to 87 square root 3. All these are in meters. Now we have to find CD. So CD is equal to BD minus BC, which is 87 square root 3 minus 87 by square root 3 . Now we can rationalize. So into square root 3 by square root 3. So square root 3 into square root 3 is 3, and 87 by 3 is 29. So we get 87 square root 3 minus 29 square root 3, and the answer will be 58 square root 3 meters. So the distance travelled by the balloon during this interval is 58 square root 3 meters.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.